Hello guys! So today we're going to be playing Weightlifting Simulator. You can see that I've played this game for a little while already and gotten 345. I do have 3 things. We have 0 Robux, so this is all from me working. I have a double weight which will give me 5 strength every single time, and I got 300 to get this. So I've worked really hard to get this. So you guys can come play this game. And to get 300 and get this right, it will go really quick. You can see. And by the way, please subscribe to our channel. You will love me and like and tap that notification button down below. And leave a comment, Look at my tiny little head. It's so hilarious. Oh, what is that purple stuff? I don't know what that purple stuff is. I never do. I never knew what that purple stuff I'm sorry about the noises. They're really loud. I'm gonna turn down my sound right now, so it's not that loud. I'm gonna turn it all the way off. Okay, now there's no noises. Burning some calories. Getting more strength. On the speed. Yeah. It's really annoying. I don't like to type in the chat. So I'm just gonna burn some more calories, and I'll see you when I get to 1,000. Hi guys, we're back. Sorry I didn't make it to 1,000. It's gonna take forever, even though I have a double weight, but it's still gonna take forever. So I decided my goal is not to get to 1,000 today, because our videos are only allowed to be 15 minutes long. That is because we don't actually have to record down. Who's getting on Google? Just kidding. We actually do have it down. Videos like videos 15 minutes long. I'm gonna pause it. Yeah, I'm sorry it wasn't long I'm sorry I didn't pause it only once this time. I'll be pausing it a few times because it will take a while. See ya. Hello guys, I'm back. I was able to get the push-up and to get to 700. Most YouTubers most people use Robux. We don't have Robux. So in that situation, we can't buy the boost or something like that. We can't buy that. It costs Robux. And we're not talking about the Robux that you get in the game called Robux. It's going on. Has put a video on the channel you up to? What are you up to? Oh, not English perfectly. What are you guys up to today? Please write that in the comments. When you watch videos from me, you might want to turn down your volume. Because I do get pretty loud. This, you might want to turn down your volume. Double thing and this, I think we are gonna make it to 1,000. I'm gonna see you when we get to 500. Bye. Hello guys, we're back. And look, I looks like Slender Brian. I'm coming to get you. I'm coming to get you. I'm coming to kill you. And I also unlocked the push-up. That's why I'm actually able to do this. Push-up. It also can fly. And pushing it much quicker. Oh. No. Stop this! Oh, annoying being so big. Okay, does anyone want to die? For a good reason? Oh, you died in one hit. I feel like that was inappropriate. Yeah! Hadouken! Yeah! Oh, jeez. This is my thing. Has to see my thing? Yeah! Sorry! Okay, kill her. Double witch. Double weight push-up. Double weight push-up. Double weight push-up. I'm high-fiving you. I'm high-fiving you. I'm high-fiving you. Air. I'm high-fiving you. I'm high-fiving you. I'm high-fiving you. The air. Don't you dare try to kill me. Man, you played this game a lot. Oh no, I died from a little guy. But he's played this game so long. Push-up time. High five air. High five air. High five air. High five beat. Die beat. Da 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 da. Ew. I'm hunting you. I'm fixing you. Damn it. Don't take damage too. Cause the damage too. Don't take damage. 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 No, you dare. Don't you dare kick me in the air. Yeah, you do push-ups. I'm gonna do push-ups on top. Ooh. Whoa! Brutal. Look at my chest. Bro. Damn! Double word. Push up. Bow. 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 Ah! Brutal. Stop it now! So I get to 1,000. Hello guys, I reached 1,000! I reached it! Oh man, look at my double weight! Oh! Look at my regular weight. My regular weight. Both of them are double! Oh! So it looks double. Down, 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 This is amazing. This is amazing. Because I just reached 1,000 string, 1,010 string. It is amazing. Now, 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 now. Here, I'm gonna kill you. In one hit. Dead. I got killed by a little guy.